Let's learn how to make a catapult gun. So I have a catapult gun right here, and you can find it at Amazon, Walmart, eBay, etc. So now, let's look at the parts of the system and how it can make it. So let's look at the gun right here. So this is the gun. As you can see, it says catapult gun right here. And inside it has a system, which relates to science. We'll talk about it at the end of this video. Now, to not expose this thing, which can be damaged if something gets inside it, we have the two gun protectors. So, for this, I attach one like so. So we snap all the holes, and it gives you a clicking sound, and you'll get this. Now it's there for the other side as well. So we can put that inside. Okay, and good. Now the gun is done. Now there's one more thing. If you lift the plane, and the gun will shoot the plane when it hits the trigger. So here's the body of the plane. We have a large pair of wings with some flappers in case the plane goes wrong. And we also have a short pair of wings, which also has some flappers known as a glide if the plane goes wrong. Now let's assemble the plane. We have the body of the plane. Now grab the large pair of wings and then stick it inside until make sure the body of the plane is in the middle. So this is good. Now you take the shorter pair and you stick it inside these holes like so, and make sure to match it up, and we're good. Now we assemble the plane. Now we're going to learn how to assemble this into this, but first let me throw the plane. Alright, let's throw the plane. It went nice. Now how did the plane fly so smoothly? Well, your system known as flight and aerodynamics. When the plane was flying, there are four forces that are acting upon it. First is lift. Now lift is causing the plane to go up. Drag. This drag is causing the plane to slow down and then fall. Weight. The weight is basically the gravity that is acting upon the plane, which makes it fall down, which wants it to fall down. And thrust is making the plane go forward. So when I threw it, it went up. I gave some thrust, and it went very forward. Now the aerodynamics. Did you see the plane has some flaps? That is for good control. And for aerodynamics, if something goes wrong, we use those flaps to fix our flight. Now there are three forces that also act on a plane when something goes wrong. There are roll, pitch, and yaw. Roll is when your plane goes like this or this when a flight goes wrong. To fix it, you must use these flaps to bend them, and it causes less rolls, so your flight can go quicker. Now pitch. Pitch is when your flight goes up and down very fast, and it may cause your flight to go wrong. To fix that, you see these flaps right here? Tilt them up if they're going down, or tilt them down if they're going up. Now yaw. Yaw is when your plane is going this or this. It's different from roll, but roll is like this or this, but yaw is this and this. So it's a different pace. To fix that, bend these parts of the plane, and to fix the yaw part so your plane doesn't go left or right. So that's the aerodynamics of the plane. Now let's learn how to put the plane in the catapult gun. So at the back of the plane, you will see a little hook right here. And this hook does not matter. I think it's good for flying, but I'm not sure. Now in a catapult gun, at the front, you will see a slot. This is where you put this front facing into this, like so. And then to set it, pull it back until it is good to go. And it might go, but as you hear, the thing is set so once you put it back, you can shoot it. Alright, shall I test it? Alright, let's test out this. It went so smoothly. Now, we have already studied the science of the plane, which is aerodynamics, and the power of flight to make it go smoothly. But what is the science of the gun? How does it make the plane go very fast and smoothly? 3 words: tension and pressure. I'll demonstrate it by exposing the inside ports. You see, there's a spring that is located inside the gun. That's how all guns, toy guns work, like Nerf guns. Now, the spring is a normal state. It is relaxing, it is free, there's no more tension, there's no more pressure, and it's all good. Now, watch what happens when I put the plane inside and pull it back. So you see, it's disappeared. Why? Because I pulled it back. Now it's in a lot of tension and pressure. It really wants to go back to its normal state, but it can't because I didn't press the trigger. So watch what happens now when I press the trigger. It went, and now the spring is back to the normal position. Why? Because when I pressed the trigger, the spring forced all its tension and pressure to go out of this hole that's located right here. And it forced the plane to go all the way over there. And now the spring is a normal state and it's free again. So that's how you build a Catapult gun and the plane. And we studied the science behind these two objects. Thanks for watching.